Welcome to Learning Easier. Today we're going to learn about euphemism and its examples. Euphemism. An euphemism is a figure of speech in which an expression is used to replace one that might be considered severe, blunt, or offensive. Euphemisms are often used to maintain politeness, show sensitivity, or avoid causing discomfort in communications. Examples for euphemism. He passed away, which is a euphemism for he died. You're being laid off, which means you're being fired, basically. She's a senior citizen. She's really old. I need to freshen up. The euphemism for I need to use the toilet. He is big and tall, which is a euphemism for he's fat. So basically, euphemisms are using different words to maintain politeness, show sensitivity, or not cause discomfort when you're talking to someone. So thanks for watching. Like and share this video with your friends and family. Comment in the comment box below, subscribe and click the bell button. Follow Learning Easier Instagram.